Hey guys, happy Wednesday. Just wanted to go over your announcements for today, and I also wanted to go over your assignment for today. So we're on our main course page. We're going to click on our announcements for today. All right. So happy Wednesday, everyone. Guess what? We have 21 more days of school. So I'm going to have a total of 4 videos for you today. The first one is what I'm doing right now. It's going to go here. This is a video that Mrs. Merrill made for you to go over your comp check questions that you had on Monday. Okay, so it goes over your answers for you. And then I created 2 videos for you that goes over your textual evidence activity that you had yesterday. Okay, so this part 2 just has question 10 on it because the first video stopped me. So your agenda for today. Today we will continue focusing on nonfiction. You will be closely working with the text Brazil's Snake Island, Legend Meets Science to determine central ideas. So Monday we looked at just making sure you comprehended the text because you're going to be working with it very closely. Yesterday we looked at textual evidence within this nonfiction text. And today we're going to be looking at central ideas in this same nonfiction text. Okay, all your reminders are the same. If you submitted your Young Arthur traditional literature assessment, it's in the grade book, and you can look at feedback in Google Classroom. And then very, very few of you have not done your USA test prep, so here's a link for you to help you access it. Any questions or concerns, click here. It takes you to the discussion board, or you can email me if you have any questions, or you can private message me through your Google Classroom, which my preference is definitely to go ahead and send me a private comment through Google Classroom because I get it right away and I can write back to you very quickly. Okay, so let's go to our calendar for today. And we are going to make sure that we scroll over to Wednesday. So for today, we're going to be looking at AKS 11. I can analyze and evaluate 2 or more central ideas and the development of each over the course of the text. So your classwork is in Google Classroom. Students, today we will continue to work on our Snake Island reading passage in order to identify central ideas within the text. Number 1, these are your announcements we just went over. Number 2, you're going to view a video that's called Main Idea, and it's in BrainPop. This is your username to look at the BrainPop assignment, and then here's your password. So our username for everyone is Osborne MS. Make sure the O is lowercase, and your password is BrainPop. Make sure the B is lowercase. Number 3, you're going to reread the passage, Brazil, Snake Island, Legend Meets Science. Make sure that you have the passage open and available so that you utilize it during your activity for today. Remember, the more you read a passage, the better you can understand it. I put a copy of your assignment in Google Classroom as well. And number 4, your central ideas in Snake Island. This is a Google form. You may refer back to the passage as necessary. If, in fact, I suggest that you do refer back to the passage as many times as needed. You can split screen your computer so that you can view the passage and the Google form at the same time. Your Google form, of course, is in your Google Classroom. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. And it's going to take us to our Google Classroom. And this is what it is going to look like. So all of this is the exact same as your course page. Please make sure that you have this assignment turned in by the end of today. And like I said, I attached the text again, and then here is your Google form with your questions on it. Okay, so when you are done with your questions, make sure that you click submit, and you do not have to turn in the copy of your text. Okay, if you have any questions, remember to go ahead and send me an email or write in the discussion post, or go ahead and send me a private comment in Google Classroom. All right, bye guys.